Hey guys, so today we are going to
Global Village.
Yes.
So we are going to MOE, that's Mall of Emirates. So from Dubai Marina you need to take a tram to Marina Metro Station, and then from Marina Metro Station you need to go to Mall of Emirates. That's how the path is.
And from Mall of Emirates, आगे का तू बता.
Hey, I don't know. From Mall of Emirates I guess we'll take a bus and then we will visit to Global Village in like 40 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's perfect. That's perfect.
Something negative? No, I didn't say anything. You said something. No, I didn't say anything.
बोलते खूब जास्त गर्दी है ना.
Dubai Internet City.
है ना? खूब जास्त गर्दी है ना.
खूब जास्त.
You don't know Marathi. It's okay.
Yeah, I know, but I can understand.
You can understand totally. Yeah, that's a really great achievement after within a month.
Within a month.
Within a month, it's a really great achievement within a month.
Actually, I started understanding within a week. I do not have a habit of traveling in metro.
Oh
back
yeah,
in
yeah.
India,
Rich kid.
Back in
Rich
India,
kids
I used
of
to
Panvel.
my car. Yeah.
Rich kids of Panvel traveling in a metro in Dubai.
Yes. That's what you said.
And rich kids of?
Hey, I'm not a rich kid. I'm very poor. Yeah, poor.
Very poor. Poor kid.
Very poor kid.
Poor kid of?
I don't even walk. I get tired walking.
She's a shy person. That's the whole lie.
That's the whole lie. No, I agree. I'm very shy person. I don't talk to people a lot. I'm in my own space. Do you have some water?
My God. भगवान से डर. भगवान से, ठीक है? बस भगवान से डर, और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहते हम. ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है बस. उससे डर.
मला जाऊ दे. Reach to Mall of Emirates. Now we are heading towards Mall of Emirates bus stop.
Yes.
Then we have a bus around 7:40 p.m. And then we'll reach within 10 to 15 minutes.
40 minutes.
Oh my God, that's too long.
That's
it's
why
better that I go back to home now.
So a quick update. One of our friend, he's also joining us. His name is Sahil. So you might have seen him in the last vlog. Global Village. It's already here. अरे इंग्लिश में हो जा इंग्लिश में. Boom, Sadhu. Global Village bus. And yes, hi my friend Sahil.
Hello my friend, how are you?
How are you friend, my friend? So here we are at Global Village. It's really beautiful. So what's Global Village all about? यहाँ पे पूरे वर्ल्ड के जितने भी monuments हैं, the wonders of the world, वो यहाँ पे है. Like this, or like this, or like this, Burj Khalifa, or like this, Moscow, and it's really beautiful. All the countries.
All countries' monuments you can see over
Yeah.
here.
So it's not only about the countries; it's about various countries.
Culture.
They have their they have their culture. They have their stalls. They have their food. So you can enjoy different cultures, enjoy different cultural food. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं टर्की के अंदर.
Not Turkey,
Turkey. Turkey to be precise. It's Turkey. Let's visit Turkey today. You ready to visit Turkey?
मैं तुम्हारे लिए प्लेट लेने आई थी, but it's nice.
तो So there is a story behind buying a plate. क्या story है बता जल्दी बता.
Hey, I broke his plate.
Yes.
Yesterday.
So we came to a designer plate store. And we're gonna buy plates. These are beautiful plates though. How much is this for?
That's by weight. They weigh.
By weight.
Yeah.
Okay. So here the plates are on weight. How much is
This
this?
is for 1880. How much is
Huh? Where you go?
Going to Turkey.
Turkey back?
Yes.
Seriously?
Honestly.
Oh.
how much is for watermelon juice?
It's 25. Try this one.
What is this one?
This pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
This one. Turkish
Pomegranate.
sonar. Or you want a strawberry, mango, avocado, shake coffee.
How's it?
Like, it's kind of a soup.
Oh,
Organic.
okay. Let me try. Am I in the frame?
Yes, it's good now.
Thank you.
Tequila. Halal tequila.
So now we are in. Hey, where are we?
Pakistan.
We are in Pakistan. Finally, we are done with Pakistan and Turkey. So today's target is the maximum amount of countries we can try.
Yes, because this global village is there for more 10 days.
That was Pakistan over there, and that's UAE. And UAE has 2 gates, 1 and 2, and it's really big. And this small child is hungry. Hungry child.
Yeah, hungry child. Late हो गया साला.
वापस कर.
Yeah, hungry child.
I really felt like he is the Harry Potter and he is doing some chamatkar on me.
Who?
You.
What I did?
Harry Potter.
Yeah.
So we just skipped one country, which is UAE.
Because
What?
we are already here.
Wow, yes, you're smart. Yes, I thought you're not
I
that
just
smart.
want to visit India and eat some pani puri
Yes,
because I'm craving for it.
yes, that's what I am craving for as well. And not only pani puri, I want to eat pav bhaji. It's okay, yes, I know that. I want to eat pav bhaji, I want to eat pani puri, and I want to eat sev puris and Indian desi food. जो मजा आएगा ना खाने में माँ कसम इंडिया में जाके. There is water down there and she's playing in between the water.
What she's playing, man?
That's violin, and what you do is violence.
I always do, man.
So that's Europe. Now we are going into Europe. So
we are going to America finally.
We're going to USA finally. My God, after a long time, I tried so many times for like visas, tickets and everything.
But now
But
here
for
in the free
around
of-
300 rupees, we are going to America.
Yeah, finally I'm in
Yes,
the
we are going to
America.
America. 300 रुपए में अमेरिका घूम लो भाई. 300 rupees going to America. Yes,
Put the
sorry.
mask up, man.
So we're
Guys,
going
you
to-
have to put the mask up all the time.
Yes, don't. Just don't do it. So now we are in USA, and so
United
here's
States
the
of
thing.
America, we are in USA.
major thing is most of the things are kind of similar in every country. They have the same kind of stalls, they have same kind of outlet and same things. Just the seatings and everything is different. So here you can see they have these sculptures of red Indians. They have really good touch of the old age America.
So I need a rest, like for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll just sit. Then we'll start again. We'll take a world tour again.